We're going to get to Jen Carfagna there in Pennsylvania coming up a little bit later. Hello and welcome to AMHQ Early. I am meteorologist Kelly Cass. Well, we do have the threat of severe weather today, including the threat for tornadoes. We have the very latest on Winter Storm Kayla from the snowy side to the severe side. We begin with the snow that's been coming down pretty much all night long in Denver. We have about 9 inches of snow, about a foot up towards Boulder. Winter storm warning continues until noon today, and we've got more snow showers in our forecast. The current temperature 22 degrees, so as you do get out there to dig out and do some shoveling, definitely dress warmly. We'd also have some windy conditions out there in the eastern parts of Colorado. Your feel-like temperature, your wind chill down into the single digits. So here's a look at where we have all the advisories in effect, and this right here grabs your attention, right? That hot pink, that is where we have active blizzard warnings in effect from southwestern or southern Minnesota through northwestern Iowa, through Nebraska, all the way down into Kansas. And oh, by the way, I've been checking Goodland, Kansas. You've been experiencing some very heavy snow, reducing visibility down to 1/4 mile. Here's a look at the water vapor imagery. This is our moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. We see a little spin right there coming out of Colorado into Kansas. That is our storm system that we are tracking. We do have pretty dry air in place for now across the Gulf Coast. We're going to moisten up that atmosphere and see some showers developing eventually. So the darker blue, when you see that on this radar, that is the heavier snowfall coming down, reducing visibility. And oh, look what we have here. A little bit of lightning showing up here in the central and eastern parts of Nebraska, so some thunder snow going on. And when you get that convective type of snow, we're talking about snowfall rates sometimes of 2 to 3 inches per hour. All right, Des Moines, we've got some light snow just off to your north. Good thing we got the caucuses in yesterday, because today, not a good day for travel. We've got I-80 being impacted here with the snow showers and even the thunder snow. And they're your thunderstorms, just rain with lightning going on here in the northern portions of Missouri, even back towards Kansas City. We've had some thunderstorms as well. So nothing severe, but definitely very heavy rain, making it difficult to travel for sure. And here's a look at our future radar showing the blue. That is the snow that's going to spread up towards Minneapolis. Doesn't look like Chicago. You get it. You're on the warmer side of Kayla. Looks like maybe a few rain showers. You may end as a few snow showers come later on in the evening on Wednesday. But other than that, we are not really calling for much in the way of accumulating snow from Chicago, Milwaukee, even on over towards Detroit. But here's the snow that is still to come with Kayla on top of what you've already picked up. Another foot, maybe 15 inches in some of these areas shaded in the darker purple. Denver, you're kind of on the backside now, so maybe an additional 1 or 2 inches before we're done with the snowy side of Kayla. Well, we also have the potential for severe storms in the warm sector. We're talking about Jackson, Mississippi, where thunderstorms are going to be really quite strong later on this afternoon. So that's when we're concerned about you guys. Maybe even tornado warnings could be issued later today. As of right now, we don't have any watches in effect yet. The Storm Prediction Center monitoring the conditions here, as we are here at the Weather Channel as well. Here's our torcons for today, Tornado Condition Index. And this 6 is basically a 60% chance of seeing tornadoes within 50 miles of Tupelo. So watching your skies from 10 a.m. through 9 o'clock tonight. Memphis a 6 as well, and we upped it to a 6 in Birmingham now between 4 o'clock and 2 o'clock in the morning. So the overnight threat is very real, very serious, and of course very dangerous when we have the overnight storms. So make sure you have a way to get those warnings. So the jet stream winds very strong aloft. We've got that warm, moist flow coming in from the Gulf as well. So that's been increasing the humidity, just one of the ingredients you need for severe weather. And then of course we've got our strong low-level jet. Notice how it's coming in from a different direction, coming in from the southwest, whereas you've got those surface winds coming in from the south and southeast. So we have that turning of wind with height, which can get some of these thunderstorms, when they do develop, to twist and possibly cause tornadoes. So that's why we're concerned about a tornado outbreak. You can see the severe zone anywhere from Indianapolis through southern Illinois, all the way down to the Gulf Coast, where the Mardi Gras festivities are underway between Mobile and New Orleans. And then we bring that threat a little bit more toward the east overnight tonight. So your torcons look like this, a 4 in the southern portions of Illinois and Indiana. That's basically a 40% chance of tornadoes within 50 miles. Then we bring it on down toward the Boot Heel, Missouri, western Kentucky, a 4 for you guys. So definitely pay attention. Make sure you know what to do in case you are put under a warning to get to your safe place. A torcon of a 6 in the northern portions of Mississippi and west west central Tennessee as well. Here's the threat for tonight. We're thinking the storms will eventually die down and weaken a little bit as they move into places like Atlanta. Can't let your guard down though, because damaging winds is going to be a threat with this thunderstorm complex as well. So definitely stay with us as we bring those storms to the east, Anna Rittis.
And Kelly, those damaging winds already making headlines. Good morning, and good morning to you at home. We begin with the gusty winds on the backside of Winter Storm Kayla, stirring up dust storms on the plains of West Texas. This photo from Big Spring east of Midland shows a wall of dust in the distance. Gusts 40 to 60 miles an hour were common in the Texas Panhandle Monday. Kayla's wind and rain kicking up quite a racket when the storm blew through the Phoenix metro. The National Weather Service says most of the valley saw winds around 50 miles an hour at the height of the storm. And now that Kayla's gone, unusually cold air is filtering into the state. Temperatures will fall to near freezing in Phoenix by sunrise, and typically lows in Phoenix are in the upper 40s in early February. And authorities south of Los Angeles say high winds whipped up by Winter Storm Kayla probably caused a home to collapse. The building was undergoing repairs to fix cracks in the foundation, and winds apparently shifted the house several feet. Neighbors say the collapse that followed created a monstrous crash.
It was really loud, and we watched the palm leaves fall off the trees and blow down the street, and it was so loud. And all we heard is sirens, sirens, sirens.
Gusts from Kayla clocked at 50 to 70 miles an hour around Southern California Sunday, and utility crews are going to be working today to get power back on to 50,000 customers still in the Los Angeles area that are in the dark, and that's down from 140,000 at the height of the storm. Those are your coast-to-coast headlines, but today is Groundhog Day, and of course we celebrate it here at the Weather Channel. And of course, someone who never misses a celebration is Jen Carafagno. She is live in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, and I am just floored by the number of people behind you, and I'm loving the getup.
Oh, and people are still coming in, Anna Rittis. I'll tell you what, with all the crazy weather you just talked about, today is a day to celebrate the season, celebrate the weather. I got several thousand new friends right here in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, waiting for Phil, the seer of seers, prognosticator of prognosticators, to make his prediction where they'll be an early spring or 6 more weeks of winter. We are just hours away from finding out.
Currently in our area, 29 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Today, windy with rain developing in the afternoon. High 44.